Hey guys, Kurt here, 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Thanks for joining me again. It's Monday here in Texas. We got a brand new F250 in the shop and I'm excited about it because we're going to do BDS suspension lifts. This particular package is a customer supplied wheel and tire package. It looks like he's got some hostiles on some Toyos and that's going to look really good. I believe those are 22 by 12s on a 37 13.5, so that's going to be very awesome. Like I said, we're going to do a BDS suspension lift kit on this one with a couple of the upgrades, so I'm excited to see how she goes on and what she looks like with wheels on the ground. So stay tuned. We'll get some in the middle shots of some putting together, and then we'll follow up with what she looks like with wheels on the ground. Okay, here's our BDS suspension all laid out and ready to go. We are going with the 4-link suspension with Fox shock upgrades. We are doing a dual steering stabilizer on it as well. Man, that is a sexy looking kit. I cannot wait for this thing to come out. Okay, we're working on the rear end of the vehicle. We like to start with the rear in this particular setup. The way that we get our lift in this design is it's a combination of a lifted block with an add-a-leaf spring that gets added to the existing leaf spring. And that's what we've got Austin doing right now, is he's working on adding the add leaf. Austin comes to us with a lot of experience in suspension lifts, and we're really glad to have him on our team. We like to put him on these higher end builds because he works fast and he gets it done. Okay, and the rear is up, looking spectacular, and we're just getting ready to put the finishing touches on the front. Now, like I said before, this is a 4-link suspension, which takes the place of the factory radius arms. The factory radius arm only has 3 mounting points. The 4-link, hence the name, creates 4 for more stability. We're also going to replace the factory drag with a bigger, beefier aftermarket drag link, which is super awesome. I love this lift. It is so heavy duty and badass. I cannot wait to see this thing on the ground. Now that we've got the front end all finished up and she's looking really good, we are moving to the last step, which is to install the transfer case indexing ring, which is this piece of metal right here. And what that does is it's going to correct the angle of the transfer case so that we don't put this pinion angle at too much of a degree where it's going to bind up. Very interesting stuff. Next step, of course, is going to get the wheels on the ground, put it on the alignment rack, and then deliver it to the customer. When we finish a truck, it's like a magical, exciting feeling. Almost like you've created this amazing thing and you're gonna let it off into the world for everybody to enjoy, and this is an amazing looking vehicle. Customer went with the hostile sprocket 22 by 12, and we went with the Toyo Open Country MT 37 by 13.5 on a 22. That BDS 4-link suspension lift really did come out looking so good. I really love how they put their logo on the back like that. Very awesome truck. We'll just do a quick pan all around. This thing looks good. Brand new F250. This is a King Ranch 6-inch BDS suspension lift 4-link with all the upgrades. Looks really good. We want to say thank you so much to Pedro for letting us build this awesome machine. If you've got any questions or would like to get your F250 customized, please give me a shout at 469-424-0028. Just ask for Trent to take us out online. Check us out on the face page, Instagram. Come on by to see us. This is McKinney, Texas, 4x4works.com. I want to thank you all so much for watching these videos, and stay tuned for the next build.